Hello friends, today we are going to see 15 life-changing quotes from Mahatma Gandhi. Nobody can hurt me without my permission. A man is a product of his thoughts. What he thinks, he becomes. It's easy to stand in the crowd, but it takes courage to stand alone. The future depends on what we do today. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. If you don't ask, you don't get it. The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong. Strength does not come from physical capacity, it comes from an indomitable will. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greed. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. Non-violence is a weapon of the strong. If I have the belief that I can do it, I shall surely acquire the capacity to do it even if I may not have it at the beginning. An eye for an eye only ends up making the whole world blind. It's the action, not the fruit of the action, that's important. You have to do the right thing. It may not be in your power, may not be in your time that there will be any fruit, but that doesn't mean you stop doing the right thing. You may never know what results come from your action, but if you do nothing, there will be no result. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon to get notification about latest videos. Do like, share and comment on videos. It will encourage me to make such wonderful motivational videos. Keep smiling and stay motivated.